She wants to know where this is going.
And where do you want it to go?
I don't know. I love her.
Do you?
Yes. Why would I be with her if I didn't?
How long have you been together?
4 years.
How long were you single before her?
About 6 months. Why?
And before that relationship?
2 months maybe. But what's your point?
When was the last time you were alone? For more than 6 months?
I don't know. College.
10 years. You've been in relationships for 10 straight years.
So, that means I'm good at relationships.
Or you're terrified of not being in one.
That's not. I love her. I do.
Then why did you hesitate when I asked? Do you love her? Or do you love not being alone?